Imagine a city where antiquity meets the avant-garde, where cobblestone streets meet cutting-edge design. Welcome to Amsterdam, a city that effortlessly blends past and present. Here, historic canals weave through a vibrant tapestry of architectural delight, creating an enchanting backdrop where every turn is a new discovery. Amsterdam is a city that pulses with energy, yet retains a charming tranquility. A city where the echoes of history blend seamlessly with the hum of modern life. So, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Amsterdam? Buckle up, because we're just getting started. No visit to Amsterdam would be complete without exploring its iconic attractions. Let's start with the Anne Frank House, a poignant reminder of the city's World War II history. The house, where Anne Frank and her family hid from the Nazis, is now a museum preserving their memory. Walking through the secret annex, you can almost feel the hopes and fears of the young girl who penned one of the world's most famous diaries here. It's a profound experience, stirring deep emotions and sparking reflection on the human spirit's resilience. Next, immerse yourself in the world of one of the most famous Dutch artists at the Van Gogh Museum. Home to the largest collection of Van Gogh's works, the museum offers a journey through the artist's tumultuous life. From his early sketches to his vibrant sunflower paintings, you'll experience the evolution of Van Gogh's unique style and understand the man behind the masterpieces. Finally, a trip to Amsterdam isn't complete without a visit to the Rijksmuseum. This grand museum houses a vast collection of art and historical artifacts. As you stroll through its halls, you'll encounter masterpieces from the Dutch Golden Age, including works by Vermeer and Rembrandt. It's a feast for the eyes and the mind, a testament to the Netherlands' rich artistic heritage. These iconic sites provide a glimpse into the rich history and culture that make Amsterdam a city like no other. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Amsterdam harbors hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Let's delve into the charming Jordaan neighborhood, a labyrinth of narrow streets and canals, brimming with art studios, hip boutiques, and cozy pubs. Here you can lose yourself among locals, tasting Amsterdam's authenticity away from the typical tourist hustle. Just a stone's throw away, discover the Nine Streets, a shopping district where antiquity meets modernity. With a plethora of vintage shops, designer boutiques, and quirky cafes, it's a haven for the fashion-forward and the curious alike. Don't miss the Eastern Docklands, an area that showcases Amsterdam's modern architectural prowess. Once a bustling seaport, it's now a vibrant contemporary neighborhood, with strikingly innovative buildings rising from the waterside, a testament to the city's ever-evolving landscape. Dare to venture off the beaten path, and you'll find that Amsterdam holds surprises at every corner. Amsterdam isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's also a city that knows how to tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey as diverse as the city itself. Start your day with a hearty Dutch breakfast at a quaint canal-side cafe. Enjoy fresh-baked bread, local cheeses, and a steaming cup of Dutch coffee. For lunch, head to one of the city's bustling food halls. Here you'll find a smorgasbord of international cuisine from Vietnamese pho to Italian gelato. But don't forget about traditional Dutch fare. Try a plate of bitterballen, deep-fried meatballs served with a tangy mustard dip, or a hearty soup, a pea soup that's a staple in the colder months. Looking for a fine dining experience? Amsterdam boasts an impressive array of Michelin-starred restaurants where you can sample innovative dishes prepared by world-class chefs. In Amsterdam, every meal is an opportunity to embark on a new culinary adventure. Now that you have a taste of what Amsterdam has to offer, it's time to start planning your own adventure. The best time to visit this vibrant city is during spring or fall, when the weather is pleasant and the city is less crowded. But remember, Amsterdam's charm shines through all year round. Getting around Amsterdam is a breeze. The city is compact and easily walkable, but you can also hop on a bike, the preferred mode of transport here, or use the efficient tram system. As for accommodation, Amsterdam offers a range of options to suit every budget. From luxury hotels overlooking the iconic canals to affordable hostels in the heart of the city, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. And don't forget to indulge in the local cuisine, explore the city's neighborhoods, and immerse yourself in its rich history and culture. With its enchanting charm and endless attractions, Amsterdam awaits. Start planning your unforgettable journey today.